I wanted to do one video on how to get your dog to drink water if it's necessary, if you see that they're choking or anything like that. So the trick is, you don't really tell them to drink the water. You make the water seem like a treat. So you hold it like this above their head so they think it's something that they're interested in. Come here. Ready? Make them wait. And okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sometimes dogs won't drink water if they're put in front of it, but if you bend down and ask them to, they think it's a treat, so it works every time.